Jiena Ryan nilqakom mill-ġdid minn Turin, il-belt kapitali li qed tospita il-Eurovision Song Contest 2022. U llum għandna ħafna affarijiet preparati għalikom. U din hija propju il-Press Center fejn jiltaqgħu il-ġurnalisti kollha u qed tintela bil-mod il-mod. Sal-aħħar ta' dil-ġimgħa nistgħu ngħidu li l-Press Center ħatkun intliet b'ġurnalisti diversi minn madwar id-dinja kollha. U jiena kif qiegħed hawnhekk ħansaqsihom x'mistoqsijiet x'jaħsbu fuq l-organizzazzjoni ta' din is-sena u fuq kollox anke x'jaħsbu rigward Emma Muscat u Malta għax dak huwa l-interess tagħna. Naraw.
Well, about the organization of this year, I can say that it's a whole lot different from the one in Rotterdam. It feels far less fan-based.
I'm very impressed. I think Torino is a perfect host city. It's very walkable. The city have really embraced the contest and the people have been very friendly and welcoming.
I think entering the press centre this morning, it was very organised. We've had COVID tests. We've got accreditations really quickly. And yeah, it's a really good production so far.
I think this year, from what I've seen so far, it's a little bit unprepared compared to last year.
So far it's been good. I've had a really good experience. All my accreditation and everything has been very good.
Oh well, a bit messy and a bit underrated. So yeah, it's like we get a lot of information, not last minute but last second.
So far it's quite okay. There's still teething problems at the beginning.
X'taħseb fuq Emma Muscat u l-kanzunetta I Am What I Am?
I like the song. It's very, I love the message.
Oh, the Maltese entry, Emma Muscat, she's so nice. I met her in Amsterdam. She's just like a lovely young person and I hope she will do well. Her song I Am What I Am is like really nice and it got real like Taylor Swift kind of American vibes, so that's pretty cool.
I Am What I Am is a song that fits to Eurovision, and I think it's a good choice that Malta has done to replace the previous winning song. For that, it's good, and yeah, I think the place in the final will be, but I don't know how what the ranking is going to be. So that we have to see.
She is a brilliant singer. She is. She has like what's the word? She shines on the stage.
Kanta li biċċa.
Take it or leave it, I am what I am.
Take it or leave it, I am what I am.
I am what I am.
I am what I am.
U issa imiss il-konferenza stampa.
Please welcome Emma Muscat and the delegation from Malta. Hi, Emma.
What is your own favorite Maltese entry over the years?
Well, I absolutely love Destiny of last year. I feel like we've got a lot of talent in Malta, and Eurovision being practically the music event of the year, it has always been something to look forward to. The message behind the hundreds of mirrors attached to my dress, which actually took like 4 to 5 weeks to make, is basically that everybody is a reflection of themselves and we are all individual and all the mirrors represent, you know, each and every one of us and that we are the same but unique at the same time.
Grazzi li kontu magħna, nfakkarkom li aħna qed ikunu magħkom kuljum qabel u wara l-aħbarijiet. U għalhekk l-appuntament tiegħi mill-ġdid magħkom huwa eżattament wara l-aħbarijiet għal programm ieħor minn Turin.